Have you ever felt deep inside that you were made for more? That you could achieve something greater if only the right opportunity came your way? If you're hearing this, take it as your sign. Now is the perfect time to change your life, become your own boss, and shape your future. And with a brand like Techy behind you, it's more achievable than you think. We're living through a time of major transformation. Technology is advancing rapidly, people are rethinking their careers, and more individuals than ever are choosing entrepreneurship. So why not you? With inflation rising, job uncertainty growing, and corporate burnout hitting hard, more people are searching for new paths, and franchising has become one of the smartest moves. But not every franchise offers a real chance at success. Techy is different. It's more than just a franchise. It's a movement. A future-focused brand that believes technology should be accessible, repairable, and built around community. And today, with demand for tech repair and smart home services soaring, the opportunity to claim your piece of the market is bigger than ever. Why choose Techy? Because it's one of the fastest-growing tech repair franchises worldwide. With a recognized brand, proven business systems, and a dedicated support team, Techy makes business ownership feel possible, even if you're new to it all. As a Techy franchisee, you step into a ready-to-run business model. Marketing, operations, inventory, training, it's all in place. You're never on your own. Every step of your journey, Techy is there, helping you launch, build, and grow your business. Owning your own business might seem overwhelming, but with Techy, it's made simple. With easy onboarding, practical training, and full support from day one, you'll have everything you need to succeed. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need years of business experience. You just need the drive to learn and the passion to build something of your own. You can choose the model that fits your life. Open a full retail store, run a kiosk, or even operate a mobile business. Flexibility like this gives you the chance to design your future around your goals. And for those dreaming of a new life in the United States, there's even more to be excited about. Techy is a qualifying business for the E2 visa, which means owning a franchise could help you move to the US and start fresh. Many international entrepreneurs have already used Techy to turn their dreams into reality. The E2 visa allows investors from eligible countries to launch and operate businesses in the US, and Techy is the perfect partner to make that happen. It's more than just a business. It's a gateway to a new life, filled with opportunity and freedom. But beyond the financial rewards or the immigration benefits, there's something even more important: impact. As a Techy franchise owner, you join a community of ambitious people all working toward building better futures for themselves and their families. You're not just fixing devices, you're building trust, serving your community, and creating a real legacy. So what's holding you back? This is your chance to build a business, claim your freedom, and create the future you deserve. Whether you're already in the US or planning your move, Techy is ready to help you take the first step. The only thing missing is you. Start today. Change your life. Become a Techy franchise owner.